Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my journal, which is a classic size happy planner called La Fleur. It is for the week of September 11th through the 17th, and I'm going to be using a couple books. So first, I'm going to be using something from Designs by Misha. It is an Etsy shop. She has these lovely girls. Then I'm going to be using stickers from the lovely Cassie from Cassathetic Plans. And I want to use the boho one because it reminds me of like fall vibes. So it's called Boho Dreams. If you have that book, you probably already know. It is absolutely lovely. And then I am going to be making a few spreads with it. I also wanted to use the neutral boxes from Jojo because it just fits everything in the steam. So look at these flowers, you guys, right? Stunning. Absolutely stunning. So I wanted to use them. I think that's kind of fun. I'm gonna go into the browns in this book and use some of these big journaling boxes. And once I do that, I'll be able to place some of the stickers around it. So my journal is probably my favorite planner. It is one that is kind of free fall, and I don't have a way that I use it one week to the next. I just write in it, that's all. So kind of fun for me to be able to just play with it every single week and come up with new designs and come up with new layerings and stuff like that. So if you are the same, I'm so happy you're here. We're gonna have some fun. If this is your first time joining me, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, thank you even more for bringing back yourself to spend some time with me. I really love having you here. I love this girl hangout that we have, or boy hangout, whoever it might be. I really enjoy having you guys here and kind of chilling with my best friends. So I'm gonna put this girl, it's called Queen. This is from a Queen collection. I just thought she's gonna match the vibes and the colors, and it's all very, very regal. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and add this in. I absolutely love how it looks. I'm gonna add these flowers all around to kind of incorporate that into my planner. But look how everything matches so perfectly, right? I just love the girls that Misha creates, and of course I love the florals and the stickers that Cassie creates. So all of these things are amazing. All of these codes and links are in my description, so if you're interested, go ahead and give them a try yourself. I, again, am always so impressed with stickers and designs because people are so creative. All I do is put them down in my planner, and yes, they look great, but because they're designed so well. So I'm having so much fun creating spreads just like this. And that's mostly, like I said, because I am so fortunate to have so many creative artists. So I want to add some leaves into the spread and kind of make it into a fall-y spread, more of a fall design. So I was thinking of putting that box in, but I don't think that's going to work for this spread. So I'm just going to go back and pick a couple of these like fall leaves and add those into my spread and see how that looks. But again, I always have so much fun writing in my journal. It's one of my probably most therapeutic parts of my journaling and my plannering. So a very fun way to be creative. Let me know if you journal in your planner or if you have a separate journal. I love doing this. I think it is so much fun and it gives me such a great outlet to work out my feelings. So kind of that's where I am. Sometimes I give myself more room to write. Sometimes I give myself less room to write. The good thing about journals is that you can always add a page in between and write in it if you need to. And no big deal, right? So I'm going to remove this one and this one because it kind of bugs me that they're all over. So I'm just going to spread them around a little bit. I'm going to add a few more, not too many, but just a few to kind of look like they're going in one direction. Some of them are on paper, some of them are on clear stickers, but as you can see, you can't really tell a difference, right? So they look exactly the same. She did such a great job designing this, and I'm so happy that I'm able to promote her sticker shop. I actually am obsessed with her stickers just a little bit, but I'm obsessed with a lot of stickers, you guys. So as you know, you probably are too, right? Because that's the nature of our hobby. And I love it. I love it so much. And look, the two stickers that I combined kind of match perfectly, right? And this is a little pen. It's in my Amazon favorites. It works like a pen. It has a blade at the end. It is awesome. It's very delicate, so it doesn't ruin my pages. Okay, so going forward, I'm gonna add a couple of these little tiny ones, and then I will be all set pretty much. So I'm just gonna pop this back into my planner, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know what you think about the spread. It is so unusual for me, but I really like it. Again, Designs by Misha is that doll, and then Cassathetic Plans is the florals, and Mojo Jojo is the boxes. Thanks so much for joining, and I'll see you soon for another one. Bye!